Hi guys, it's Junior and I'm back at it again with another makeup tutorial, but I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I'm gonna also be reviewing this product. This product I have recently invested in, aka I got for Christmas. It's this eyebrow tools that I desperately needed because I've been needing some like new brushes and stuff to make my eyebrows look better. And this either Eco or Echo. Yeah, Eco or Echo, but that's, you know, this is the bag that my stuff came in. I love this bag. Like, I put like all my eyebrow makeup in here. I love it. And it only came with 2 little things. That's what's so crazy. But I put all like my eyebrow stuff that I need in here. And these are the tools that came with it. A little brush slash comb. This is what it looks like. It's so cool. I love this. Oh my god. I'm about to show you guys how to use it once I actually get the tutorial parts started. Alright. And this is another brush the Eco tools came with. Here's the brush. It has 2 ends. One for blending, I'm assuming. One for blending. And it's an angle brush. Correct me if I'm wrong. You know, I'm still learning like what to call, you know, blah blah. So that's a little review on, you know, what's in the bag and what the bag look like and blah blah blah. So I'm about to actually use it, but before I do that, piece of hair on my face. Before I do that, my bad. I want to also show you guys this new little pencil I had invested in for my eyebrows because my first video I wasn't really feeling it at all, so I just wanted to redo it over to give you guys a better look and a better angle with doing my eyebrows. So this is the perfect eyebrow pencil, Absolute New York, and the color of this is black because for some reason I like black. You know, I like working with black instead of like light brown. And yeah, this is what it looks like. This is like the pencil part. And I've been using it lately. It was a lot more than this. You see how much they give you? Like, I'm not even done. I think that's all they give you, but I've been using this for the past month and I love it so much. But yeah, if you're like me and like pencils, you know, or marker, whatever, this is the one to use. And the other tip has a brush on it, just in case if you don't have any brushes or combs to comb out your eyebrows when you do them, it has it for you. And then of course I use my PRO.conceal to do like, you know, eyebrows, you know, put it right there, you know. I'm still learning what it's called, y'all, but this is what I use to do my eyebrows with. So I'm about to get started with the tutorial, the updated tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. See you guys in a little bit. So this is my finished eyebrow makeup tutorial. I messed up a little bit, but it's okay. I don't plan on going anywhere. But I guess these are the two different looks I go for. Either this end is like short or this end is long. I do either or. But yeah, this is my updated makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and a comment saying, you know, what can I improve on or what are some eyebrow tips you guys would suggest. Thank you for watching. My name is Junior and have a good day. Bye.